Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I am going to show you a trick which is a must know for any of these entrance exams. Before appearing for any of these entrances, you should know these tricks because it's going to be super helpful, and you will be able to solve all of these in instantly, literally within 1 second or maybe 2 seconds max. Okay, so over here we are going to solve all of these questions which are going up to infinity. Okay, and the signs between them are plus or minus. Okay, and I will also go up to the part where the sign between them is multiplication, and some of the questions which are not ending towards infinity. For that you will have to stay tuned throughout the video. But before explaining this, you need to understand one concept which is called as co-primes. So co-primes are basically two numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1. Okay, so numbers like, let's say 2, 5, they are co-prime. Then 5, 7 is a co-prime. Okay, please understand 2, 6 is not a co-prime because 2 itself is a factor of 6. Okay, I hope you are getting the hang of it. So understand why is this super important, because you need to divide all of these numbers in terms of your co-prime. Okay, so let's start with this one. But before beginning with that, I would like to remind all of you all, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answer you can mention in the comment section using the trick shown in the video. Okay, so over here we have 12. So please understand, 12 can be written as what? Factors of 12 is 2 and 6. Like I said, 2, 6 is not a co-prime factor. We do not have a co-prime pair. So here I can write 12 as nothing but what? 3 into 4, right? So here the factors of 12 is 3 into 4 because that is a co-prime pair. Now here, since the sign over here is what? Plus, all of here we have a plus sign, right? If there is a plus sign, then you will take the bigger value of your factor. So the answer for this one is 4. Okay, now over here, like I said, we will divide this in terms of co-primes, or the factor of 6 in terms of co-prime pairs. So this is what? 2, 3, 2 into 3, correct? But since the sign over here is a negative sign, then you will take the value which is the smaller one between the two. So here I can say 2 is the value, or the other 2 is the answer for this particular question. Okay, now over here I want all of you to take a pause and try solving these two using the method shown here, and you can scroll ahead and see whether you're getting it right or wrong. Now let's do this quickly. Again, 20, so you cannot write 2 into 10, right? Because 10 has a factor, or 2 is a factor of 10, right? So here we can write 4 and 5. The sign over here is positive, so we'll take the bigger value, so answer is 5. Here we can write this as, now understand, this can be written as what? 2 into 21 and many other factors, right? 3 into 14, right? But that's not going to work. We need to find a pair of factors which are co-prime. So here we can write this as nothing but 6 and 7. Since the sign is negative, we'll take the lower value. So the answer for this one is 6. Okay, so I hope you all are getting how to do this. Now students, coming to the point of multiplication. See, multiplication is super simple. You don't have to do any of this, especially when it is ending towards infinity. If it is going up to infinity, then the answer is nothing but the number itself. So for the answer for this particular question is just 7. So I hope you understood this, right? It's super simple. Okay, now here comes the point where you might be thinking, acha, what happens when they are not going up to infinity? So if it does not go up to infinity, what you should do is, let's say this is 3 root 3 root 3 root 3. So how many times we have roots over here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what you will do is, you will multiply 2 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. right? So what is your answer is 16. Okay, but that is not your final answer. The final answer for this one is nothing but 3 raised to 16, and the numerator will be 1 less than 16, which will be 15. Okay, I hope you're getting the hang of it. Okay, so very quickly let's do one more. 5 root 5 root 5. So how many times the root is happening? 3 times. So 2 raised to 3, that gets you 8, or 2 into 2 into 2, that gets you 8, right? So answer is 5 raised to 7 upon 8. Okay, I hope you all are getting the hang of this particular question. Okay, so now time for your DIY. I want you all to tell me what is the answer of let's do 28 in 20, sorry, plus 28 plus root 28 plus going up to infinity. Okay, do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.